What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to find virus and delete it from your iPhone. So we might be having sometimes the trouble with the virus. If that is the case, just follow these instructions. First one, go over here in the settings. Right now, go over here onto the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to the apps. Now from here you have to search here for Safari. Just search here for Safari and tap on the Safari. And right now, scroll down and navigate to Advanced at the bottom. Tap on the Advanced. Right now, go over here for the website data. And right now, as you can see, here are some of the websites which I'm recently using. So these websites, sometimes when I'm using or I'm downloading some kind of things or browsing, these can bring the viruses. So make sure one thing, you have to go over here. There is an option called Remove All Website Data. Tap on this one and go for Remove Now, so that everything will be removed. That's what you have to try. And once after done with this one, you just need to go back over here. Just go back over here once again. Just need to go back to settings. And right now, go over here at the top to the general. Now from here, go for the software update. And right now over here in the automatic updates, tap on this one. And right now, if the security response and system files, if it is turned on, you have to turn this off. That's an important one. And also just go back over here. And this time what we need to do is we just need to move to the few more step. That is all about. Just go over here, go to the app library. So you can just go over here on the app library. And right now you can search for files. Just search for the files over here. So you might be having few datas that you downloaded. So make sure that you delete the unwanted things from here. So even that can cause the issue up. So just delete the unwanted things. Once you remove the unwanted things, for example, you can select the respective one over here like this, and you can just go for delete it. So make sure that you delete it as well. So these are some of the steps. So even after trying with all these things, still if you're having the trouble, then most probably you can just try with these steps, can fix the issue up. So make sure these are the steps. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.